Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you are getting informative videos on our channel, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel, so that you do not miss the latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up the Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender in easy way. After watching this video you can able to do the Singtel extender setup effortlessly. So watch this video till the end. Basically, the Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender is a mesh Wi-Fi system that enhances and extends Wi-Fi coverage in your home. If you tired weak Wi-Fi signal, then this setup is the best option for you. So first of all we will open the box of Singtel Wi-Fi extender and see what all comes in the packet. Inside the Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender box, you'll find the mesh extender unit, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. These items help you easily set up and extend your Wi-Fi coverage at home. So now let's start the setup process. In the first step, plug the mesh extender into a power outlet using the provided adapter. If it doesn't turn on automatically, press the power button located on the back of the device. The power LED will flash red during startup. Once it turns solid white, the extender is ready for use. Ensure that your mesh extender and main router both are placed in the same room. So now find the WPS button on your extender. Basically it is located in the back side of the router. Then press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 seconds. Within 2 minutes, press and hold the WPS button on the new mesh extender. The WPS button is located on the front of the extender. If you look at the bottom of the extender you will see the WPS button. Wait for up to 5 minutes. The mesh LED on both devices will flash during pairing and turn solid white once the connection is successful. After successful pairing, relocate the new mesh extender to a position between the main router, or existing extender, and areas with weak Wi-Fi signals. Ensure there's a clear line of sight between devices to maintain a strong connection. I hope you like this video. If you're stuck in middle of the setup process, then don't panic, feel free to contact our professional experts at 132350737713. Our experts team will solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for the more informative videos.